Our philosophical foundation was an open, inclusive, and co constructive nature informed by Eastern wisdom and traditional perspective that enhance our ways of knowing and constructing reality, which resulted from the multi-paradigmatic research design space. For instance, Jnana Pragya paradigm. The Jnana Pragya paradigm is metaphorically presented here as the image of Tatrate. Dattatreya is believed as a living guru who has three heads of deities Brahma, Vishnu, and Maheshwar. We made sense of an integral form with the help of the image of Dattatreya that includes a constellation of the three paradigms such as Prasna means question, Kala means art, and Artha means meaning, but not limited to that, in one like form of Pragya Jnana research paradigm. Here, Jnana means the Brahma or the total, samasti, one or whole experience of reality. Pragya refers to the highest and purest form of wisdom obtained by reasoning and inference. Many of you have a question what inspired us or who? We were undoubtedly inspired by our supervisor Balchandra sir, Peter Taylor, Lily Taylor, and Medina's perspective and their notion of multi-paradigmatic research design spaces. More than that, their praxis encourages us to embrace multiple belief systems for transformative educational research purposes and thereby develop our authentic voice that is decolonial. Let me share a few ideas about three paradigms Prasna, Kala, and Artha. The Prasna paradigm is akin to critical paradigm because it shares the quality of questioning critically to know the world outside and beyond. Informed by Prasna Upanishad, Prasna paradigm was required to ask both internal about self and external about the world, question to explore the inner and outer world. The Kala paradigm is akin to a postmodern paradigm. We use multiple art forms to represent our thoughts and feelings and so on when an academic expression could not do so. But Kala goes beyond as we integrally perceive Kala, that is, from the Eastern wisdom traditional perspective, as we believe that this universe is a Kala, Maya, or Leela. For instance, I am a small Kala of the big Kala of this conference and universe. The Ortho paradigm shares some characteristics of the interpretive paradigm and goes beyond it. In line with Taylor and Medina, the interpretive paradigm explored the truth of the outside world by rigorous engagement in the phenomena, in depth interaction with the world. The ortho paradigm explored multiple layered truths of the inner and outer worlds. For instance, multiple participants may explore their authentic ways of knowing in multiple ways. Finally, the impressment of all paradigms form a Jnana Pragya paradigm. For instance, the Prasna paradigm supported the participants raising questions against conventional research culture. Kala paradigm supported us in putting our knowledge into practice, for example, realizing or imagining authentic ways of collecting information in transformative educational research. And the Ortho paradigm supported us in critical self reflection. That embracement supported us in recognizing or imagining Eastern wisdom tradition ways of making sense of integral perspective and thereby conducting transformative educational research. In short, our Jnana Pragya of exploring, achieving, and nurturing transformative educational research was developed by the multiple Eastern wisdom and traditional belief systems. Finally, let me share some challenges of adapting an integral perspective informed by Eastern wisdom and traditions and conducting transformative educational research. There are three significant challenges. First, the challenge was making sense of multiple paradigms, but understanding paradigms or worldviews as belief systems connected well to the numerous Eastern wisdom traditional belief systems. Second, the challenge was develop Eastern wisdom and traditional perspective. We succeeded by positioning ourselves in the Nepali context as we began to see the contextual issues connecting to Eastern wisdom traditional literature, for instance, the Bhagavad Gita. The final challenge was to deepen our understanding of non dualism as an integral perspective. It was made possible by the transformative approach or as an art based approach, that is, by using multiple art forms for informing collection, information collection, making sense, and presentation. That's all from my side. Thank you all.